Hello everyone and welcome to Investment Graphs. It's the 3rd of August 2014 and today, as requested by one of my listeners, I'm gonna do a video on Update-Obtala resources. This is a follow-up video on another video that I posted a couple of months ago. I'm gonna show 4 different graphs today. The first one, a long-term view on Update-Obtala. It's just a reminder of something that I was referring to in the previous video. Mainly two main facts here. The first one is the breakout here with the red arrow is of long-term resistance line. Okay. The second fact is the triangle that I said Update-Obtala was making, and I said it was breaking out of that and good price gain was about to happen. Let's have a closer look at that triangle in a different graph. This graph, which is shorter term one, is since the beginning of 2012. This is the triangle. You can see how it broke out of the triangle at around the 7.5p level, and since then it reached the 12.5p level. That's very good gains. In recent weeks it's been retracing a bit, but also I've noticed that Update-Obtala is been making a megaform pattern. We can see here, this is basically it's been trading on an expanding range, so that will be something very interesting to observe in the coming weeks, indeed. The third graph of today, it's the same sort of time frame as the previous one, beginning of 2012. This is the triangle, this is the megaform, but also wanted to highlight this resistance line that comes from at the height of the September 2012, and it's been this resistance line that actually contained Update-Obtala's price over here. So that one is a very important to watch. Indeed, if and when Update-Obtala breaks out of that resistance line, that will have very interesting connotations. And the last graph of today is it's also the same time frame since the beginning of 2012. But just got rid of all this short-term analysis, got rid of the triangle, got rid of the megaform, in a way got rid of the noise, and just want to pay attention to something I guess the long-term investors, the long-term traders are more interested. And it is this wedge that Update-Obtala is been forming. This is the resistance line I was actually also referring to in the previous graph, and this is a clear support line. That's what really people should be looking at. As I said, they have a longer term view. As and when Update-Obtala breaks out of this wedge, I think will have very important meaning with regards to price. So that's all I wanted to talk today. I hope you've enjoyed the analysis. I think this is an interesting one to keep watching, and definitely will be posting any more updates as and when we feel there is something definitely interesting to highlight. Thank you very much.